back to my channel, you guys. So before we jump into today's video, I just wanted to come and tell you guys all about Motivational Monday. So Motivational Monday was put together by Courtney from Mama Makes It Happen, you guys. So definitely check out her channel. So basically, Motivational Monday will consist of us ladies coming together to give you all the motivation that you need, whether it be in life, motherhood, being a wife, or just needing cooking, cleaning, and any other type of motivation in your daily life. So I hope there's something that you guys can take from each and every one of our channels, and that you will consider subscribing on the end. So we will be posting a video for Motivational Monday once a month. So hopefully you guys will get all the motivation that you need from either my channel or one of the other ladies. So definitely consider subscribing, you guys.
Welcome back to my channel.
Alright, y'all, this is what I wanted to show y'all what we done so far. The giraffe is done. All the statues outside is done. So my window is over there, y'all. Letting it dry a little bit. It's almost done. And I'm gonna show you guys the vases that we're about to paint black for the bedroom as well. I don't know if you guys remember these, but we got these from Ross a minute ago. But these are the vases. Okay. I'm gonna paint these black, y'all.
To be around a woman. You know how that is.
Yeah, I look rough. Me and Bae is outside dugging it, doing these DIYs. Right, husband?
Mm-hmm.
And it's tough. Your girl look rough. Hair need to be brushed. Yeah. But I just wanted to show y'all what we're doing today. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is what it is looking like after like 6 times of me spray painting, letting it dry, and then coming back and spray painting it again. So I'm gonna spray paint it probably one more time and then be actually done with it. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna show you guys what me and Babe did. Here's our dragon. Our dragons, there go. And y'all, we did this table. Y'all, had we would have bought this out of the store, we would have been paying thousands of dollars, because stuff like this, baby, it's not cheap. Our Buddhas. Yeah, y'all. Y'all, look at this giraffe. They did a good job. Alright, y'all, so I got my other package today. Yeah, I got my other package from Temu. So like I said, I'll be doing a haul with all that I got, showing you guys. Collaborating with Temu, and then I want to show you guys what actually came in this package. I think this is my decals for my window, my yellow window that you guys just saw me painting. So let's see. All right, y'all, so yep, it's my decals that I got for my window, because you guys already know how I had my Sheriff Man decor on that window. I'm going to be doing lemon decor now. So yeah, this is what that looks like. These are so nice, y'all. So yeah, so we'll be putting this up there probably later on today. I'm not gonna do it right now because obviously it's still wet. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is by Martha Stewart, and I got this from Marshall's. So pretty. And I got these right here from TJ Maxx, and they were $12.99 a piece. Yeah, so pretty, y'all. So I'm just gonna go with my decor amazingly. So let's go ahead and get started.